Hey guys, I'm gonna tell you all my Macs that I have and basically all my iDevices. This is gonna be a short video, but I just wanna get out there which Macs I have. So, first I have my iPhone, obviously. What great Apple geek doesn't have an iPhone? Next, I have my MacBook. No. Next is my iPad 2, which is over there. And I ain't upgrade to the 3. I just don't really need it. Next, I have my MacBook Air, which I love it because it's so light, and when I'm like laying down or something, I could just pop it on my stomach and work on it. Next, I have my MacBook Pro, which I've been fiddling with the whole time. Next, I have my iMac, which is right over there, if you can see that. I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace.